few days ago, I received a call from a relative asking how to invest in the stock market. He wanted to invest his money, and my first question to him was, why do you want to invest in the stock market? It's crucial to understand the why behind your decision to invest. It's possible that you're also new to investing, and today, I will guide you step by step, starting from the very basics. This will help you not just invest, but also make profits consistently. Many people get attracted to the stock market after seeing someone else double or triple their money. But here's the catch: time matters. How quickly did the money double? And how much did they initially invest? These are essential questions to consider. For instance, you may have seen people earn large profits from trades, but did they make money consistently? Or was it just a one-time success? Also, how much did they invest? Did they start with just 10,000 rupees, but ended up making 50 lakh rupees? It's important to understand that the stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. While money can certainly grow here, it takes time, patience, and the right knowledge. People often think of the stock market as a printing press of money, but what really happens is that inflation steadily reduces the value of money. To beat inflation, saving alone isn't enough. You must invest. And you should invest in assets that generate wealth over time, like stocks. When you buy shares in a company, you are essentially buying ownership in that company. As the company grows and profits, the value of your shares increases, which means your money grows as well. So the key to making money in the stock market is understanding that the growth of your investments depends on the growth of the company you're invested in. To start, I recommend opening a demat account. This is essential for buying stocks today, as everything has become paperless. You can open an account on platforms like Angel, which are free to sign up with. Once you have your account, begin by investing in strong, fundamentally sound companies. Take companies you're familiar with like Tata, Reliance, or Nestle, companies that are stable and likely to grow over time. But here's an important tip: don't just focus on profits in the short term. The stock market is a long-term game, and the more you understand it, the better you'll get at making informed decisions. Start small, and as your knowledge grows, you'll begin to make better, more confident investments. Remember, the first step is simply investing, even if it's a small amount. As you watch your investments rise and fall, you'll start learning the dynamics of the stock market. The key to success in investing and later trading is continuous learning. Dedicate some time every day to understanding the market better. Whether it's reading about new trends or learning different investment strategies, the more you learn, the more your money will grow. Finally, don't rush. Stock market success doesn't happen overnight. It's a marathon, not a sprint. With patience, consistent effort, and the right strategy, you can grow your wealth and beat inflation over time. And remember, as you progress, you can transition into trading. But always start with investing, build your knowledge, and then dive into the more advanced strategies. If you're serious about your financial journey, hit the subscribe button so you can continue to learn and grow with us. If you found this video helpful, share it with others who are just starting their stock market journey. Keep learning, keep investing, and your future self will thank you for it.